The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy, with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration, or contact your nearest block development officer, BDO.
Usambut Menteri Rangba ke Jelau ba Sniawbhalang Dhar ba kemiru ya ketena transport. Ule pentep ba ke Sorkar ke Pynkhreh ban Khot tender biang da kawai da ke benta macna Pynheh ya ka kat ling sun Shillong airport. Ba ule tho ba ke tender ke bala Khot kam menchwa lahap ban pendu no namar ba ke lami ka to ke jing e. Ulong ba kinu ke bayo ka kam ban Pynkhreh ya ke project kini opor ban pendep ke jing tai baro apo ka kat prabanai. Bat kani ke dei kat kum ke jing ai ktien jong ke Airports Authority of India. Laban ong bagi jing temu ban Pynheh kini kakat lingsun kelong ban pelat bagi lingsun ki bahe kini ok ban wan hiar ha kini kakat lingsun ya ka badan kam machna Pynheh ya ka runway ban chna Pynheh ya ka terminal building bat ki bagi jing dan kam ha ka bedai bat ka Baljak airport usambut menteri rangba ulong bagi dang ab ban penlong ya ka jing jurip lang ha pedang ke Airports Authority of India bak ke Sorkar Meghalaya kenang ban aban itu ek jing dan kam ke jaka ban thiet chu ban chna Pynheh kini kakat lingsun bat ke Sorkar ke kerpat ban mang san phok lur tengka naga benta kini ke project.
No, tender is under process. So as soon as the tender is allotted, so the work will start immediately.
This year we can expect.
It should be by this year, if not was by then. They should be able to allot because it's not from the state. No, tender has been called from the Airport Authority of India. First tender has been called, and there is some complication, no problem. They refer to the tender again.
Oh, second tender.
So the only condition they inform us from the date of issuing a work order, the time of completion should be 18 months.
So the second is issued, not yet.
Not yet. Not yet for that.
Coming to Baljak, what is the status?
That's what we are waiting for the joint inspection with the Airport Authority and the government of Meghalaya. They will identify the land, which land is qualified for us. We will acquire for additional land. We will make the functional. Because also now, if we decide, suppose if the land is not feasible, so therefore we need the expert from the Airport Authority of India to come. So even there, we had a meeting last week. I told them, please follow it up with my officer, request our Airport Authority to fix time immediately for the joint inspection.
So they're asking for 50 crore.
We'll see. Because they asked, but we'll see first where the land, which are the additional land, and only then based on the DPR, we'll make payments on the issue. The issue is that they have to come expert from the side to locate for us this is the right direction so that we can acquire the land. Only then we'll go for the further